it's my birthday. And I want to say happy birthday to myself, the Marathon Club, the queen of African culture. Happy birthday. I wish myself good life, long life, and prosperity. I wish myself more travel, more exploring for my cultural exorcism. So I wish myself good health and everything. And may God protect all we do as we travel. May we be led by His mercy. I thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you for adding another year to my dream year. May this year be more beautiful. May all the dreams that we dream to achieve this year come to reality. May we have every reason to celebrate this wonderful year this year. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to the Marathon Club. Happy birthday to the Queen of African Culture. I love you and I appreciate all that you do, all that I do. Thank you for this wonderful gift of life. I am happy. Celebrate with me. I love you.